Let's hear it again.
You want those glasses? Those glasses are not for you. Not the glasses, baby, not the glasses.
Oh, what now? I'm telling you, I think he's tired for another nap.
Yes, my baby's tired.
I just put these shorts on for the fun of it, and they kind of fed him.
Yeah, it's really cute.
Dayson put these shorts on first.
On himself?
Uh-huh.
What'd he say?
He was like, remember when I was little and I'd go, ah.
He said that?
Uh-huh.
It's so funny when he says that.
What are you doing?
Oh, my dad is so tired. My dad needs a haircut.
What's that address of that house?
125.
125 what? El Caminito?
What?
El Cam.
Caminito, maybe? Oh, there's a very naked baby. Oh, my love, you're so precious.
East or west?
East. Between 7th Street and Central.
Okay, east. Alright. Got it.
Okay, sweet little buns. Sweet buns.
I called it 410.
I want to see pictures.